I have not
Good
made you
afternoon,
all
ma'am.
attention.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, you were muted.
Okay, I think everybody is here now. We shall start. Please, everybody, turn on
Ma'am,
your
there
camera.
are many students in the lobby.
I've already admitted everybody. If there's any new request coming, I've accepted that. Fine. So, please switch on your cameras. In the last class, if we remember, we were doing subject pronouns. Did we do subject pronouns or did we do the vocabulary? Days, months, and colors.
No, ma'am,
Days,
we did.
normally days and months, well.
Yes, ma'am.
So today we're going to start with the grammar section. I suggest you to please pay more attention because now is the basic that we're going to start. Today we'll talk about nouns, pronouns, and subject pronouns. Okay, what nouns are, what pronouns are, and what subject pronouns are, and how they function in the Spanish grammar. So I'm just going to share the screen. Just a second. Great. Please, everybody, switch on your cameras.
Ma'am, there are students in the lobby.
I've admitted.
Yes.
You all are still the presenters. So if anybody, any of your friends tell you that they're not added, you can just say.
Ma'am, you're muted.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Now is it fine?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just make you all attendees only because then everybody is going to mute me. Just a second. Just a second, okay? Share the screen.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Can everybody see the presentations on the screens?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Just take you down to the next. I don't know, there's something wrong. My computer is okay. So the main topic for today is subject pronouns. But when we talk about subject pronouns, we have to know what nouns and what pronouns are. Okay. So subject pronouns in Spanish are called los pronombres personales. Los pronombres personales, which also means personal pronouns. Okay, and why are they called personal pronouns is because when we talk about subject pronoun, we talk about specifically about people in a sentence when we are referring to a specific person or group of people. That is why in Spanish they are called personal pronouns, pronombres personales. Fine, I'll just take you down to the next slide. So first we talk about what are nouns. Okay, nouns in Spanish are called sustantivos. They are called sustantivos. Okay, and as you know, it's defined in English in the same way we define it in Spanish as well. Noun is a name of a person, thing, idea, or place. Okay, noun is the name of a person, it could be a name of a place and a thing or an idea. So coming to the next slide, talking about pronouns. Okay, now in a sentence wherever you have a noun, that means wherever you have a name of a person. Now I'm only talking about person because we eventually have to learn subject pronouns today. When we talk about objects, then you know I'm going to explain you how thing and how you talk about places and how they become pronouns. But today we are only going to focus on person. Okay. So now talking about pronouns, pronouns are called pronombres. Okay. Just a second, I'll just add, there are a few students here in the lobby. Just a minute. Okay, can you see the presentation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Now, what pronouns? Okay. Now, what is a pronoun? It is a word that is used instead of a noun. Okay, in a sentence, wherever there's a noun, you replace it with the pronoun, but it still maintains the meaning of the sentence. Fine. So as you've learned it in English, it's the same way in Spanish, that wherever in a sentence there's a pronoun, you replace it, wherever in a sentence there's a noun, you replace it with the pronoun. Why do you replace it with the pronoun? To stop the repetition of the noun in the sentences. Okay, for example, the man is so in this sentence there are two nouns. One is the name of the person and the second one is the place. Now we're not talking about place, as I told you in subject pronoun we talk about only people. So we'll take the first word of it, which is the man. So the man is the noun. Now to stop the repetition of the man in other sentences as well, we replace it with a pronoun. Okay. So if it says the man is from Mexico, I will just replace the noun, which is the man, and in place of that, the pronoun that I can put there is he. Okay. He is from Mexico. So to stop saying that the man is from Mexico, the man went to America, the man came back from Spain, the man is cooking. To stop that repetition of the noun again and again, you replace it with a pronoun instead. But when you replace it with the pronoun, the meaning of the sentence should not change.
Ma'am,
Tell me.
many EC students are waiting in the lobby.
Beta, I haven't got any request, neither any notification. Let me check once. One. नहीं बेटा, there's not even a single एक student है. Let me just admit this one. Devanshi. Fine, nobody else. Okay, so to stop the repetition of the noun in a sentence, we replace it with the pronoun, but the meaning should remain the same. So if the sentence is the man is from Mexico, he is from Mexico. So whenever you use a pronoun, you of course have to give a background of it. The person who you're talking to or who you're addressing, he or she should know the background of who you're talking about. And from the next sentence, while you tell the background, of course, you'll place the noun in the sentence. But from the next sentence onwards, you can put the pronoun there and then you can say it. Okay? Fine. There are other examples that we have here. Please mute your mics, everyone. So these are other examples that we have here. Maria and I are going to the store. Okay. So Maria and I are the noun and the pronoun for this becomes we. If I say Maria and I are going to the store, we both are going to buy groceries. Okay. So now from Maria and I've replaced the noun and I've made a pronoun out of it, which is we. These are all in English. Next table, I'm going to show it in Spanish and I'll tell you how we say he, we, I. So basically, like I was telling you, these are all pronouns which are for objects as well. Okay. Direct object pronouns talks only about objects. Indirect and direct object pronoun is another grammar structure which you'll do in your coming semesters. But for now, we're only talking about people and persons. Okay. So, as I told you, we're only concerned about the name of the person in the sentence. So, basically, subject pronoun is something on which the action falls. In a sentence, the action falls on the person. Okay. Just a second, there are other. So, in the next slide, I'll just show that to you. So subject pronoun is a word that replaces the noun that is doing the action of the sentence. So basically the doer in the sentence on which the action falls, or who in the sentence, when we're talking, when you're expressing something in a sentence, the whole action is on a single particular person, and that is the noun, and we replace it with a pronoun. Okay. So if you look at the sentence, my father works in New York. So the action falls on your father. we in the sentence are talking about the father who works in New York. We are not talking about New York. Okay, here we're not talking about the place, we're talking about the person who works in New York. Okay. So after this, I'll show you this another. Yeah. Is this image visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, fine. So now talking about subject pronouns, uh, there are 6 kinds of subject pronouns in English as well as in Spanish. Okay. So I is the first subject pronoun, then you, he, she, you all, we all, they all. Okay, these are the 6 subject pronouns that we have. But in Spanish, as I told you, gender plays a very important role in the grammatical structures of the sentences. Okay. So there's a gender for everything, be it a living thing or a non-living thing. I told you, and especially for nouns, there are genders, specific genders, either masculine or feminine. So in some of the subject pronouns, you will have a choice between, and as in you'll have a choice of 2 subject pronouns, and you'll have to write subject pronoun for masculine. That will be a different one, and for feminine, you will have a different subject pronoun, which I'm going to just introduce here. So basically, as I told you, there are 6 subject pronouns. In the image, on the left hand side, there's a table which has the singular subject pronouns. Okay. And on the right hand side, there's a table which has the plural subject pronouns. इन्हीं का plural जो है वो right में दिया हुआ है, and उनका जो singular form है, जैसे मैंने बताया I and we, I is singular and we is plural. So we is given on the right and I is given on the left. ठीक है? So starting with the first one, I is yo. Okay, I in the Spanish language is called as yo. Okay, so wherever I want to say I do the work, so that I will be written as yo. Okay, yo. Now, yo, when it starts, when a sentence starts with yo, then of course the Y will be capital, but when it comes at the middle of a sentence, then it will be in small letter. Okay, now this is a singular one. Coming to the plural side, if I do the work alone, I will be singular. If I add one person with me, what will I say? That we do the work. ठीक है? तो I का plural होता है we. Now there are 2 types of we or we all. You can call it, you can use it both the ways. Either you say we or you say we all. ठीक है? अब इसमें कैसे डिपेंड करता है? If there are a group of people who are only females, ठीक है? Group of ladies, and they want to say that we are cooking, for example, then that we will be written as nosotras. This word NOSOTRAS slash AS दिया हुआ है ना यहाँ पर, nosotras. Okay, nosotras will be we all only if it's a group of females. Okay, if it's a group of males and they want to say that we are cooking, there they will for we they will use nosotros. NOSOTROS, nosotros, nosotras. So basically the one with ends with AS is for feminine and the one with ends with OS is for masculine. ठीक है? So I is yo, we all is nosotros for masculine, nosotras for feminine. ठीक है? Then comes tu, T with an accent on U. Tu means you. You do the work, you eat the food, you cook for me. So that you means tu. Okay. Now there are 2 ways of addressing people. One is in the formal way and one is in the informal way. Okay. So whenever you address somebody who's younger to you or your age, okay, and that time you address them in the informal manner. Okay, and then the subject pronoun that you use for you will be tu. Okay, for an instance, if you're talking to your friend, if you want to say you do the work, so there for you will use tu, tu. But if you want to address anybody who's elder to you, older to you, Okay, or even your office colleagues, if you want to address them, even if they're of your same age, but you want to speak to them in a formal manner, then the you that you're going to use will be usted. Okay, I'll just show you the spelling. It's here. इंटरनेट क्या है?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello. Hello. I'm sorry, there was some network error. I hope everybody can hear me now.
Yeah, excuse me, ma'am.
बोलो.
Yeah, there is a girl named Ashita Chauhan waiting in the lobby. Would you please let her in?
Yes, I have let everybody in.
Okay.
Ma'am, there is two more students from the EC department.
There were around 6. I've all let them in.
Ma'am, there are two more students. Just check the chat box.
आप नाम बता दो क्या नाम है उनका. I'll just type it here.
So, ma'am, one is Shivam Kashyap and one is Pushkin.
Both have been added.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, what book would you recommend for Spanish?
Now it's still at beginning, so now I've been saying you don't have to buy any book, but for reference if you want, then I'll let you know which book would be required. Otherwise, I'll be sending you all the material.
Okay,
I
sure,
don't think
ma'am.
any. But if you want to do it on your own, I'll let you know in the next class whatever books you can buy for practice.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then I'm going to share the screen again. We'll start from the top.
Ma'am, these two students are facing the same problem. Hello.
Yes, yes. Tell me the name of the student.
Ma'am, Shivam Kashyap and the other one is Pushkin.
Pushkin and both. Both.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Oh, I think Shivam must have added both of them. Tell me the third name. Third student.
Ma'am, only these two students were having problem.
Yeah, even I am having the same problem.
And also, ma'am, someone from this meeting is continuously removing me. I don't know why.
Same issue, ma'am.
Ma'am, check the chat box. Hello.
Hello.
Ma'am, please check the chat box.
About the two ID given, added those IDs. That I cannot load right now. My internet is not working that fast.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking continuously.
Yes, ma'am.
So, I know. Hello, it's now.
And there's some network issue from
No,
your
ma'am.
side.
No, ma'am, we
Yes,
cannot
ma'am, it
listen to
is
you.
still lagging.
Just a second. Please connect it again. Give me 1 minute. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am.
Okay, let's go back to this. Can you see my screen? Can you see the shared screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
But
So, moving on, I was telling you about the to form. Okay. So, to is the informal way of addressing somebody. Okay. And you generally use to when you're talking to your friends of your age or younger to you. Okay. Anybody who's younger to you or your age. And second thing that I was telling you that we have two kinds of use here. One is the formal way. In the formal in the formal you address people who are elder to you or who you want to address with respect. Okay, so how do we write that? We write that as usted. Here it is written as ud. Ud is the short form of writing usted. You know ud might also be there in the question paper as well, so do not get confused. It's only the short form of usted. See, can you see in this image that usted is written as usted. USTED is usted. Okay, which is you formal, and to means you informal. Fine. Then we come back to the fourth one. Now you is in the singular form. The plural of you will become you all, right? Like I said, I, the plural is we all. For you, the plural will be you all. Okay. So if I want to say you all are talking, then I will use vosotros. 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 Why will I use vosotros? Is because whenever there is a group which is a mixed group, as in both the genders, masculine and feminine, so like your class, there are females and males both. So whenever we need to address a group of people who are mixed genders, then we address them in the masculine form. Okay, you will always, and the same is the concept for nosotros as well. Okay, like if I say we all, if I I'm addressing your class and I'm including myself in it, and I'm saying we all are studying Spanish, so then I will be using nosotros, because in a class there are boys and there are girls both. Same is for vosotros. When you want to say you all, you will say vosotros. But if it's a group of only females, then you will say vosotras. Same spelling, VOSOTRAS. Vosotras for females and vosotros for males. Then coming to the third person singular, we have el, ella and usted. There are three things in this, and in the plural form also there are three things. Fine. So L with an accent on the E means he, he. If you could look at these images over here, I think there are some students. Okay, so L means he, ella means she, and usted, as I told you, you formal. This double L, E double LA will not be ella. No, this has to be ella, because I told you when we were doing abecedario that the sound of double L is a y sound, y or j sound. So either you say ella or you say asia. That is up to you. I like to call it ella. Okay, so ella means she. So if I want to say she is doing the work, I will say ella. And if I want to say he is doing the work, then I will say L. L with an accent on the E. Okay. Then moving to the plural side.
Ma'am, can you pronounce Elia again?
Aya, Aya.
And the
Aya
other
or
one?
Asia. Aya or Asia.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Same thing on the plural side, ellos, ellas, and ustedes. This means they all. They all. Okay. Now, ellos is for they all masculine. Same rule. If a group of males and you want to say they all are talking, you will use ellos. Ellas is for feminine. If there are a group of females and you say they all are talking, you will use ellas. But this third one, ustedes, it is written as Ustedes. Ustedes. You can refer it from this one. Ustedes. Ustedes. Okay. This ustedes is used for they all, but formal way of addressing somebody. Or, for example, if you are talking about your grandparents, your parents, or your teachers, or anybody who's elder to you, or you want to address them with respect, and you want to say they all, then you will use ustedes. Okay, I'll just give you a quick recap of this. Yo is I. Okay, nosotros, nosotras is we all. Okay, tú is you, informal. Vosotros and vosotras means you all. Él is he. Ella or ella is she. And usted is you, formal. Okay. Ellos or ellos means they all, masculine. Ellas or ellas means they all, feminine. And ustedes, they all, but in a formal way. Okay. Or if you want to address somebody with respect. Now tell me, from this table, do you have any questions?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Anybody has any questions?
Yes.
Bolo.
Ma'am, in the second row, U is represented as two, right? And in the third one, it is represented as ud,
Usted.
usted, right? So what is the difference?
Tu is used for people when you address somebody who's your age or younger to you. जैसे हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, तू क्या कर रहा है, ये वही वाला तू है. लेकिन usted जो है, that is the आप form. आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप कहाँ जा रहे हो. जब हम थोड़ा सा we give a little respect and then you talk to the person, so you use आप. Generally we use it for people who are older to us. That is the same case with tu and usted. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Formal and informal. हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, how do we refer a group of people having both males and females?
If there's a group of people having both males and females, Spanish grammar is a little gender biased, so they use the masculine form of addressing. Always, even if there is one boy in the group, for example, your class has one boy and the rest of the students are all females, then also you will use the masculine form of addressing. For nosotros, for vosotros, and for ellos, ellas, ustedes, all three.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Anybody else? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, moving on.
One student who got disconnected and now she is not able to join. Her name is Ayushi Sal.
बेटा अब तो 148 हो गए
That she
हैं.
is not able to send
join
request again. I tried to
Ayushi.
invite her. Yes, ma'am.
Ayushi Anand.
Ayushi Sal. Ayushi Sal.
Okay, I've added her.
And ma'am, it's the same with Shantanu. He also got disconnected right now. He is also again asking for permission.
Ayushi Sal, ma'am, second one.
Last name Shantanu Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am, Agarwal.
Added him also. We can't keep doing this, guys. It's the 4th or 5th class. I've given you the code. I've sent you the link. I don't know why is this happening all the time. Whenever you have a class, you should make sure you have a stable connection like I am. If rest of your classmates can be here, then others can also. We almost wasted around 15 minutes just adding and adding. That is why I started the class 5 minutes early today, because I thought everybody should be here then only, because we're going to start with the grammar. Fine, nobody's there at the lobby and I've added everybody. Now moving on, any other doubts anybody has? Nobody?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So
No,
I'll just
ma'am.
explain the presentation. After the class, you can watch it. You can see it at home as well. This is again another table, but it is only written in Spanish. So I taught you the one which is with English words as well, so that you understand. But you can also refer to this one. This first person should be here. I think that there has been some problem. This has to go over here. And then you know the second person is this, and then third person is this one. This is singular one, and the right side is the plural table. Now moving back to the subject pronouns, these subject pronouns over here are explained, which I already, I have done that. So you can just read them, you can just go through them. All the definition and where it is used, what is the meaning, everything is written in these slides. Yo, tu, el, this is ella, usted, nosotros, nosotras, vosotros, vosotras, and ellos with ustedes and ellas with ustedes. Okay, this is the image that I just that we just spoke about, and this is the second one. Fine. Now this is a question which I want you to do after the class. You can just practice this. Which subject pronoun would you use to replace these subjects, or we could say replace these nouns? So in every sentence there is a noun. You have to identify the noun and then you have to replace it with the pronoun. Now the sentences are in English because we've not started constructing sentences in Spanish yet. So read the sentence, find out the noun, okay, then replace it with the pronoun, but the pronoun that you replace it with should be in Spanish. ठीक है, मैं आपको फर्स्ट वाला मैं आपको बताती हूँ एग्जाम्पल कैसे करना है, उसके बाद तो आप घर पे इनको प्रैक्टिस करो. So the first sentence is, hello, please guys, 10 minutes hardly left. The man is going to the store with her. So here her has already been replaced. दूसरा जो noun है जो हमारा starting में है the man. ठीक है. So the man is what? It is he. It will be replaced with the pronoun he. और he को हम Spanish में क्या बोलते हैं?
L.
L. Very L. So you just underline the man and then you remember that okay, this will be replaced by he, so we'll put L here. Rest of the sentences also have different subjects. Just look at them. Replace the noun with the pronoun, but as in you have to use the Spanish pronoun. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other confusion?
No,
Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, if we have to put they all in a sentence, but the crowd is mixed, so should we use ustedes or the other one, los?
This depends. The crowd is mixed, and there are people who are older to you as well, and there are people who are younger to you as well. But आप उनको एक ही साथ address करोगे, तो आप उसको ustedes में ही बोलोगे, because there are people who are older to you as well, है ना? So then that time you will still use
Ma'am,
ustedes.
in ustedes, what is the spelling?
Ustedes spelling USTED यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है, देखो on this one. USTEDES. Ustedes. This table should be on your fingertips. इसको जैसे भी memorize it, learn it, but इसको याद कर लो. This is very important. Without a subject pronoun, you cannot start a sentence. ठीक है? Any other questions?
Ma'am, it's written the teacher is giving the lesson. So now we don't know the teacher is whether she's female or.
Listen, in this, in sentences like these where the gender is not specified, there you can put either masculine or feminine. That's up to you. ऐसा नहीं है that it's given to confuse you or something, but that is up to you. You put masculine, you put L or Aya, वो आपकी मर्जी है.
Ma'am, what will we do in the second sentence? My sister is dancing the tango.
हाँ, तो सिस्टर क्या होगा?
Ella. Ella.
Ella.
Ella.
Yes. एला
Ella.
नहीं, guys, अभी
Ella.
बोला
Ella.
मैंने।
Aya.
Okay,
Elia.
one
Aya.
second. मैंने स्लाइड्स बनाई है ना, इनको पढ़ना भी है घर जाकर, ठीक है? ये नीचे मैंने स्पेशली आप लोगों के लिए लिख के दिया है, so that how we say it in English, हमारा जिस हिसाब से एक्सेंट है, एया है वो। Just read it literally. This is एया। मैंने सबके नीचे उनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन दी है, so please read it. एला नहीं, एया।
Ma'am, please upload this PPT on MS Team.
Fine, then please practice this at home. I'm just going to stop sharing. Okay, practice this at home. Next class, if you have any doubts, of course, we can just do a quick recap of the subject pronouns. Next class, probably we'll do numbers. Okay. Now, I will mark your attendance. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me log into Amazon.
Ma'am, please upload both the PPTs. Like last class PPT has also not been
I'll
uploaded.
upload all of them because there are other students also who could not see some
Yes,
joined
ma'am.
late.
But days and
So,
months number.
all the ones that you've done from the beginning, starting with alphabets, greetings, everything, I'll put it up.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, are you going to mark the attendance or download it?
What?
Ma'am, are you going to mark the attendance or are you going to download it?
No. I'm going to call out your names. Just a second. Okay, please attend to your roll call. Simi Saha. Simi.
Present, ma'am.
Sumit Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu Teja. Vishnu Teja.
Absent.
Okay. Sachin Agarwal. Sachin.
Present, ma'am.
Rishi Garg. Rishi. Abhijit Kumar. Abhijit. Angad Singh. Angad.
Present, ma'am.
Drishti Sharma. Drishti. Bhavesh. Bhavesh Dalal.
Ma'am,
Drishti.
Ma'am, Drishti is present. Ma'am,
Okay.
she is facing issues.
Fine. Bhavesh, are you there? Okay. Murtaza Khan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Shahab Hassan. Shahab.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Murtaza, Shahab. Dhruv.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj Gupta.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yuvraj Gupta.
Present, ma'am.
Divyanshi.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Ashita Chauhan. Ashita.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhumanyu Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Verma.
Present, ma'am.
Yashank Goyal.
Present, ma'am.
Basil.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Soham. Not there. Kundan.
Present, ma'am.
Ram Pandey.
Ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Tuli. Siddharth. Siddharth.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Vikram.
Present, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Siddharth
Krishna.
present.
Krishna. Krishna. Ishika. Ishika Singh. Nitin Chauhan.
Present, ma'am. Nitin Chauhan.
Sonvi Tyagi. Sonvi. Janya Verma.
Present.
Nishant. Nishant.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Devika.
Present, ma'am.
Sanskriti.
Ma'am.
Pushkin.
Yes, ma'am.
Present, he is present, ma'am.
Pushkin बोला बेटा मैंने. Pushkin, are you there?
Ma'am, he is present. He is facing
Yes,
some
ma'am.
issues, network issues. Pushkin and
Nikhil.
Shivam Karsey both are present, ma'am.
निखिल निखिल ठीक है निखिल.
I am Nikhil, ma'am. Ma'am, Pushkin and Shivam both are present. They are like
कैसे
they
mic में
have attended some
बोलता
other
है एक
class.
साथ?
Like
Ask them to raise their hands if they're online.
ma'am,
Anya.
I'm saying your screenshot.
Only Deepak and Siddharth have raised their hands. Ask them to raise their hands if they are on. है ना बेटा बटन में थोड़ी ना है. Anya.
Present, ma'am.
Manan.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshajit.
Present, ma'am. Lakshajit present.
Okay. Adrian.
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, please check the chat box. Pushkin is there.
Okay. Shivansh Sharma. Ask him to raise his hand, beta. Shivansh Sharma. Shivansh can't hear you.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Aditya Kumar.
Present, ma'am.
Shivam Kashyap. Parth
He is present,
Bansal.
ma'am. Ma'am, Shivam Karsey is present.
Please mute yourself.
ठीक है कर दी present. Parth
Ma'am,
Bansal.
Parth Bansal present.
Dakshit Chopra.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am. Dakshit
Okay.
Chopra.
Gauri Dhingra.
Present, ma'am. Gauri present.
Okay, Gauri.
Ma'am, Parth Bansal present.
हाँ कर दिया बेटा कर दिया मार्क यू. श्रेयस शिवांश.
Present, ma'am.
ओके. अमन
Present,
वर्मा.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
अमन वर्मा.
Ma'am, present. Aman Verma is
ओके.
present.
चंदन कुमार.
Present, ma'am.
सूर्यांश त्रिपाठी.
Present, ma'am.
आर्यमन शर्मा.
Present, ma'am.
नमन त्यागी.
Present, ma'am.
साहिल सिंह.
Sahil present, ma'am.
ऋषभ जैन. हार्दिक गुलाटी.
Can you repeat? Present, ma'am.
Okay. Rishabh, are you there?
Ma'am, Rishabh Jain, is it?
Rishabh Jain. Yes.
Yes, ma'am,
Okay.
present.
Karan Man Singh. Karan Man Singh. Vishrut Agarwal.
Present, ma'am.
Ashmita. Priyanka,
Present, ma'am.
Vidhi, Vidhi,
Ma'am, is it
Excuse me,
Vidhi?
ma'am.
yes,
Excuse
Vidhi
me.
Chadda,
Ma'am, did
Vidhi.
you call my name Khushi Goyal? Actually, there's some network
नहीं, Khushi,
problem,
I
so I
have
didn't hear.
Sudiksha Sharma,
Present,
Sudiksha,
ma'am.
Arya Bali,
Present, ma'am.
Arya, okay. Ritesh Rajpurohit,
Ma'am.
Gunjan Tiwari, Gunjan,
Present, ma'am.
Minakshi Bhandari, Minakshi,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Vinayak,
Present, ma'am. Present. Vinayak present.
Vidhi, Prashant Pandey, Prashant,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Mohammad
Present.
Ahmad, okay, Prashant, Mohammad Ahmad,
Present. Present. Present.
Ansh Mittal,
Present, ma'am. Ansh Mittal.
okay. Shantanu Agarwal,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Ricky,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Anuroop,
Present, ma'am.
Pavan Singh,
Excuse me, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Pavan Singh present. Darshit Chauhan,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you leave?
beta after 4 minutes, please. It's 26.
Darshit Chan present,
ma'am.
Amanat,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay. Rashi Agarwal, Divyanshu,
Ma'am,
Meghna,
Divyanshu is absent.
okay. Meghna,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Ojaswin,
Present, ma'am.
Tanu,
Present, ma'am.
okay, beta. Tanu,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Samarth Dev,
Present, ma'am.
Mehak Virmani,
Present, ma'am.
Pratikshit Kumar,
Yes, ma'am.
Present,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
have you taken my
Pratikshit
name?
Kumar.
Pratikshit, I've marked you. Prateek Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Amit Rawat,
Present, ma'am.
okay.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. Amit, Santosh Kumari,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Anukriti,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Ayushi,
Present, ma'am.
Sakshi Bisht, okay. Ayushi,
Ma'am, I
Sakshi,
used to tell present.
okay,
Present,
beta.
ma'am.
Sakshi,
Present, ma'am.
Marcel,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Suryansh Rathi, Riya,
Present, ma'am.
Ashwin Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Anjul Gupta,
Present, ma'am.
Vishwajit,
Present, ma'am.
Udit Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Khushi Goyal, you're there. Okay, Uday Ashish,
Present, ma'am.
Archit Gupta,
Present, ma'am. Present.
okay. Sumaira Rahman,
Present, ma'am.
okay. Sankalp
Present.
Kumar,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
okay. Sankalp is there. Tejas,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Jia Sinha,
Present, ma'am.
Riya Sharma,
Present, ma'am.
Priya Sharma. Yogita.
Ma'am, can the ones leave whose attendance has been done?
Yeah, it's time you all can leave. The ones who've had their attendances, only 10 names are there now. Yogita. Yogita. Dhairya. Dhairya.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Himanshi.
Present, ma'am.
Himanshi is there. Nayanpath Junjunwala. Himanshi. Deepak
Ma'am,
Sharma.
Himanshi is present.
Okay, Himanshi. Deepak Sharma. Naman Narula. Naman. Sunidhi Singh. Sunidhi Singh.
Yes, present, ma'am.
Okay. Ronak Singh. Ronak.
Present, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Amisha.
Ma'am,
Amisha.
there are students who could not switch on their mic to
Present,
respond
ma'am.
to attendance, so they have
Let me check. Let me
written
just
it
get
in the chat
attendance
box.
first. Okay, fine.
Present,
Amisha.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Priya Ratnam.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Sajid. Mohammad Sajid. Rishabh Mishra. Rishabh Mishra. Ishita Shukla. Ishita.
Present, ma'am.
Harshit
Present,
Singh.
ma'am.
Harshit Singh.
Present, ma'am. Harshit Singh. I'm present.
Okay, Ishita. Fine. And
Harshit
that's the
present.
attendance. I will look at the names that are there on the chat box. Fine.
Ma'am,
Excuse
is Shivam marked?
बोलो बोलो.
Ma'am, is Shivam
You
marked?
didn't call Kritika Yadav.
बेटा
Ma'am,
3
marked
का नाम
present.
बोलती हूँ, आप लोग सुनते नहीं हो और उसके बाद then you tell me ma'am you didn't call out my name.
Sorry, ma'am.
कृतिका यादव.
Yes, ma'am.
कृतिका आपका तो नाम ही नहीं है लिस्ट में. Is it your first class? Kritika, is this your first class? Hello.
Ma'am, have you marked me present? Harshit Singh.
Harshit.
Last. It was the last one.
हाँ. I've marked you Harshit.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you check my name? It's
Ma'am,
Vidhi Bhandari.
Priya Ratnam.
Priya Ratnam आपको mark कर दिया है. Next name tell me.
Vidhi Bhandari.
Kriti.
Ma'am, it's full name. Vidhi Bhandari.
He have marked you.
Ma'am,
Thank you
Shivam
so much.
Kashyap.
Ma'am, have you marked Vidhi Chadda?
कर दिया है. आपके दोस्तों ने इतने बारी बोला that how could I mark you absent. लगा दिया शिवम कश्यप आपकी भी attendance.
Okay, ma'am.
I've submitted it on Amazon now. अब आप लोग Amazon पे जाके देखो and let me look at the chat box, the names of the students there. बोलो जल्दी बेटा. I have another.
Ma'am.
What? Say it again.
Ma'am, Kritika Yadav, I'm from CSE 3. Yes, ma'am, it is my first class.
What is your name? Kritika ना? Kritika, so you
Kritika Yadav.
प्रोग्राम लीडर आप पीएल से बात करो तो आप अपने Amazon पे पहले फैकल्टी नेम चेक करो किसका नाम आ रहा है. If you've
Yes,
already
ma'am.
seen and if it's my name only, then only you'll be here and then you'll be added on Amazon as well. If by the next class your name does not appear here, then you speak to your program leader. I suggest you speak to him or her today only, so that by the next week this problem doesn't arise. ठीक है?
Okay,
Excuse me,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, could you check for Siddharth?
Siddharth, I've marked you. I've marked you already.
Excuse me.
बोलो.
Today was my third class, but I had to use the link since it was not coming in my calendar.
ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता बेटा. कैलेंडर में तो आता ही है. I updated every day. How is it possible?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, same issue with me. Ma'am, it's not showing in calendar.
See, the timetable is fixed now that you know that on Tuesdays every day, every Tuesday from 1 to 2 you come here तो आप लोग ज्वाइन कर लिया करो बिकॉज इट्स दी सेम फॉर द होल सेमेस्टर, है ना, अगर इनिशियली प्रॉब्लम हो भी रही है। अदरवाइज आई सेंड द कोड देयर ऑन द चैट ओनली, बस आप कोड से ज्वाइन कर लेना अगर ऐसा इशू होता है। वैसे तो होना नहीं चाहिए, बट अगर होता है तो आपको पता है इट्स अ फिक्स टाइम टेबल फॉर द होल सेमेस्टर टिल दिसंबर, यू विल हैव योर क्लासेस ऑन ट्यूसडे 1 to 2, तो उसी टाइम से ज्वाइन कर लिया करो, ठीक है?
Sure.
Fine, then I will see you all
Ma'am,
next
could you
week.
check for Vidhi Chadda, please?
I have submitted the attendance. अभी तो बोला बेटा, अब आप Amazon पे अपडेट हो गया होगा, उसको जाके चेक करो।